A budget can significantly help you reach your financial goals in several ways. Number one, clarity on income and expenses. So basically, a budget provides a clear picture of your income and expenses, helping you understand where your money goes. Where does your money go? Number two, prioritize your goals. All right, so it allows you to prioritize your financial goals, whether saving for a vacation, a new gadget, or building an emergency fund. All right. By the way, if your money's in your checking or savings account, it's now working for you. The bank is using that money to make their money. You don't want that. Put it in stocks, bonds, and medium risk, 7% interest, compound interest. Number three, spending control. Setting limits on spending controls on different categories helps you avoid overspending and stay focused on your goals. Number four, encourage savings. A budget encourages you to allocate portions of your income to your savings, making it easier to build up funds for your goals and not your savings account. Stocks, bonds, get into it. Number five, process tracking. Regularly reviewing your budget allows you to track your progress towards your goals and make adjustments if needed. Number six, reduces financial stress. Knowing you have a plan helps reduce anxiety about money, allowing you to focus on achieving your financial aspirations. By providing structure and discipline, a budget empowers you to make informed decisions and ultimately reach your financial goals. Think about this. Put $212 in an account, in a medium account every month, and after 20 years, you might have $1 million. And then you live off 7% of it. 70,000 a year, just don't touch the million.